fancy. Alright, Nick, what are we doing today?
Throwout bearing.
On what?
FRS.
Alright, that's it. See you later.
Yeah, you heard that right. And E85.
Alright, so Reagan's pulling up the trans jack. We got pretty much everything unbolted, drive shaft undone. The other things up top that were undone. Got ready to take it out. That's ready. So this is self-diagnosed by the owner, right?
Yeah, well, so it's not all self-diagnosed. These had a recall, essentially a TSB. These bearings were failing. They updated it. This is the updated part number. Essentially, the bearing inside would fail, causing this to seize and get pretty hot on there. Customer did not want to change the clutch, even though it was advised. He said he's short on money, so we're just gonna put this back together and send him on his way, but definitely was pretty trashed. The next biggest thing to look out for, and hope and pray, is that the input shaft is not messed up. So, where's the pliers?
You just had them? Set them right there?
Yeah. That's gonna be fun to get off. Get that off there. Well, spend a little while cleaning that up. It's bone dry and bone dry. So whoever did this last didn't put clutch grease in there. And oh, don't lose the clip.
That's right.
So, unlike STIs, the early WRXs shared the same style of clutch. Essentially, this is just the pivot ball. Goes up through here, the slave pushes it here. I actually like this throwout bearing design better than the STI ones. The STI ones are free floating, but they get clipped into the clutch. However, the throwout bearings on STIs are less likely to go out. They're just noisier. These fail 9 out of 10 times more often than the STI ones do. Yeah, we're gonna be doing a.
So when you drop the trans, what do you check while the trans is out?
Best things to check for is just input shaft. Hopefully it's not chewed up when we get this off there. This is gonna have a tiny bit of play, but
Not that
it's
much.
got quite a bit. Also, you want to check your clutch and flywheel, make sure nothing's hitting, nothing's grinding. Which obviously this, you can tell, was spinning pretty hard on that, which it's not supposed to do. However, not really much we can do about that. It seized up. Also, good thing to check for is just all your bolts here. A lot of times these get stripped out or they get stuck. Super common on all Subarus for that to happen. Also, just inspect the rest of the trans, the tranny, the gender neutral shift box. Also, check these. These break and these bend.
Alright, so we got the trans back in. Everything put back together. Just can't get it to start. It is on E85. I'm not sure who it's tuned by. We are having some problems, which the owner told us he's been having issues getting it to start sometimes. But anyways, pretty much done.
How much would someone have to pay you for this?
I reset it again. Give it like 10, 15 seconds.
Here's something interesting. His oil cooler.
Well, let's see.
Checked all the connectors back there. Grounds look okay.
Put that plug on the starter.
Alright, so that's pretty much it for the video. Got it started, got it swapped out, new throwout bearing. Customer declined, clutch, some few other things. But that's pretty much it. See you guys.